Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, September 30th, and this is my analysis for the pound yen, and we're on the 4-hour time frame. So, anyways, on the pound yen, I still think there's a chance this is the end of a wave B. If it is, then this needs to be a 1, 2, 3. It needs to maintain momentum to the downside. I would expect this to go all the way down and take out this low if it really is the end of a wave B up here. Now, we have to be a little bit careful because if this actually turns back up, then it's not a 1, 2, 3. It's actually an ABC. And if it decides to become an ABC, which it definitely could, then it would actually end up continuing back up. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame is where you potentially could see this either continue to make lower lows, lower highs, which if that's the case, then you definitely want to continue to look for shorts. Or at one of these Fibonacci extended levels, it could make like a double bottom and then break structure to the upside. If it breaks structure to the upside, then it really cannot be a 1, 2, 3. It pretty much would have to be an ABC. And if it is an ABC, then it would likely start a brand new trend to the upside. So this is where you just have to, use your best judgment, pay attention to your fib levels, and allow the market to tell you whether you're looking at a wave one, a wave two, and a wave three, or whether you're looking at a wave A, a wave B, and a wave C. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.